Artificial intelligence (AI) has been rapidly advancing in recent years and has the potential to significantly impact a wide range of fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. This is due to the ability of AI to process large amounts of data and make decisions based on that data. Will data analysts be replaced by machine learning and artificial intelligence soon? AI has the potential to automate certain routine tasks and provide faster and more accurate insights, but it still lacks the human skills of critical thinking, judgment, and communication. Data analysts are responsible for interpreting data, creating meaningful insights, and communicating results to stakeholders in a way that is understandable and actionable. These tasks require human-level understanding, creativity, and emotional intelligence, which AI is not capable of replacing. In the future, data analysts will continue to play an important role in the data-driven decision-making process, working alongside AI tools to extract maximum value from data. Rather than being replaced, data analysts are expected to evolve and develop new skills to work effectively with AI, such as understanding and programming AI algorithms. In conclusion, AI will not replace data analysts, but rather work alongside them to enhance their work and improve the overall quality of data analysis.